Hello friends, let us discuss from articles 369 to 392. These articles come under temporary, transitional and special provisions. So friends, first is 369. So 369 talks about temporary power of the parliament to make laws with respect to certain matters in state list as if they were matters of concurrent list. 370 temporary provisions with respect to state of Jammu and Kashmir, 371 special provisions with respect to the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat, 371A special provisions with respect to state of Nagaland, 371B special provision with respect to state of Assam, 371C special provision with respect to state of Manipur, 371D special provision with respect to state of Andhra Pradesh or state of Telangana. 371E is establishment of Central University in Andhra Pradesh. 371F is special provisions with respect to state of Sikkim. 371G would be special provisions with respect to state of Mizoram, and 371H would be special provisions with respect to state of Arunachal Pradesh. 371I would be special provision with respect to state of Goa, and 371J would be special provision with respect to not to the state of Jammu and Kashmir but to Karnataka. 372 would be continuance in force of existing laws and their adaptation. 372A power of the president to adapt laws. 373 power of the president to make order in respect of persons under the preventive detention in certain cases. 374 would be provisions as to judge of the federal court and proceedings pending in the federal court or before his majesty in council. 375 is high courts, authorities and officers to continue to function subject to the provisions of the constitution. 376 provisions as to judges of the high court. 377 provisions as to comptroller and auditor general of India. 378 would be provisions as to public service commission. 378A would be special provision as to duration of Andhra Pradesh legislative assembly. 392, after that friends, 379 to 391 all the articles have been repealed, so they are not under enforcement any law any more. So we don't need to remember those articles. 392, finally 392 article is power of president to remove difficulties. So friends, 392 is power of president to remove difficulties. 378A is special provision as to duration of Andhra Pradesh legislative assembly. 378 is provisions as to public service commissions. 377 is provisions as to comptroller and auditor general of India. 376 is provisions as to judges of high court. 375 is courts, authorities and officers to continue to function subject to the provisions of the constitution. 374 is provisions as to judges of federal court and proceedings pending in the federal court or before his majesty in council. 373 is power of president to make order in respect of persons under preventive detention in certain cases. 372A is power of president to adopt laws. 372 is continuance in force of existing laws and their adoption. 371J is special provision with respect to state of Karnataka. 371I is special provisions with respect to state of Goa. 371H is special provision with respect to state of Arunachal Pradesh. 371G is special provisions with respect to state of Mizoram. 371F is special provisions with respect to state of Sikkim. 371E is establishment of Central University in Andhra Pradesh. 371D is special provision with respect to state of Andhra Pradesh or state of Telangana. 371C is special provision with respect to state of Manipur. 371B is special provisions with respect to state of Assam. 371A is special provision with respect to state of Nagaland. 371 is special provision with respect to state of Maharashtra and Gujarat, and 371A is Nagaland special provision, and 371 is special provisions with respect to state of Maharashtra and Gujarat. 370 is temporary provisions with respect to state of Jammu and Kashmir. This has also been scrapped off. And 361 is a temporary power and parliament to make laws with respect to certain matters in state list as if they were matters of concurrent list. So thank you friends.